Welcome. I'm excited you are joining me for a subject that is dear to my heart and that I love. I'm Sheehan of Millennium Education. For over 20 years, I have been teaching medical intuition and giving medical intuitive consults. I've won awards and I'm internationally recognised. Medical intuition has also been taught at Queensland University. From the thousands of requests I have for sharing my knowledge of medical intuition, the most requested is hearing about the body and client stories. I agree, as this is how the brain learns, and we all love actual examples. So it's with great pleasure I give you these profound insights. You might want to grab a pen and paper so you can write notes. Know that as I share this wisdom, your innate will tap into the healing gift of medical intuition. I ask you to tune into your body and accept the love and healing that is offered. So take a big breath in now and breathe all the way out. Sit down and relax and enjoy this extraordinary work. There will be links you can click onto to contact me for courses, workshops. Or if you would like me to speak, please email info@absoluteempowerment or click the link. So let's see what the body says. Holistic approach to toxicity. Did you know chemicals and toxins are not just in the food we eat, the environment, the household, and personal care products, but it's also in your mind and body? Depending on what our thoughts and beliefs are, we will create chemical reactions that can be toxic in our body. So let's find out about Jackie. Jackie presented to me for a medical intuitive consult. She had seen many doctors who could not explain why she had a painful rash on her body and continual pus coming from her nipple. She had breast augmentation overseas 5 months earlier. 2 weeks post-operatively, she had this discharge that would not clear with antibiotics. She was now feeling so unwell that she could not work. My first medical intuitive insight was that her silicone implant was leaking and causing toxicity in her breast and lymphatic system. Her body required medical attention first. Using my nursing knowledge, we arranged for a doctor that would listen to her, got an ultrasound, and booked an appointment for a plastic surgeon specializing in breast enhancement. But there was one more thing to do. During the session, Jackie shared she was always disrespected by men, and especially her father and her ex-husband. She had decided to get breast implants to make herself more feminine and sensual as a woman, but felt guilty about it. This was the missing link to her care. She needed to understand the chemical reaction of her thoughts and beliefs that were also creating toxicity in her mind and body. I explained the body consciousness of the breast was about respect and sensuality, and the nipple consciousness was neediness and resentment. Jackie had a light bulb moment as she realized she needed her dad to love her when she needed to love herself. She totally disrespected herself with the disempowering self-talk. I shared that in her breast I could see that the surgeon had performed the surgery in a bad mood, and she confirmed this was correct. This also left a chemical reaction for her body to become toxic. The chemical reaction and emotion going through her body before surgery was guilt. On further metaphysical investigation, her painful skin irritation was the poisoned lymphatic system carrying the guilt and had leaked silicone around her body. At that point, she burst into tears with sheer relief as she was able to be honest with herself. She was and is deserving of being a sensual woman without feeling guilty. She was able to confirm this with medical assistance to replace her implant. Once this was cleared emotionally and physically, there was no more skin problems or pus from the nipple. The key was for her to self-respect and see herself as the sensual woman that she was and is. Remember, the body talks and will always let you know what is happening. It is the only thing you will ever own in your life. For more information about medical intuition and how you can live the life that you love, click the links at the end of this presentation. Thank you so much for listening. It's been a real privilege to connect with you.